Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hafiza binti Gani, student ID 202248C738. I am from group AS12018. Today, I would like to present about my favorite topic in CHM131, which is Chapter 3, Chemical Bonds. So, what we should know from this chapter? First, definition of valence electron, with symbol and chemical bonds. Second, ionic bond and covalent bond. In covalent bond, we will know about types of covalent bond. Next, comparison of general properties of ionic and covalent compound. The second last is dative covalent bond. Last but not least, drawing Lewis dot structure. Let's go about definition. What is chemical bond? Chemical bond can be formed when there is transfer or sharing of electron between atoms. There are three types of chemical bonding, which is ionic bond, covalent bond, and dative bond. Next, valence electron. Valence electron is an electron in the outer shell associated with an atom and participate in chemical bonding. This is example of valence electron. Lewis symbol. Lewis dot symbol consists of the symbol of element and one dot for each valence electron in an atom of the element. Secondly, chemical bonds. There are three types of chemical bonds, which is ionic bond, covalent bond, and dative bond. First, let's go to ionic bond. The ionic bond. Ionic bond formed through the transfer of electron between metal atoms and non-metal atoms. For your information, in periodic table, metal atom starts from group 1 to group 3. However, non-metal atom starts from group 5 to 7. The definition for the formation of ionic bond. The two atoms must be different, which is metal atoms and non-metal atoms. Metal atoms. The metal atoms donate to non-metal atoms valence electron to form positive ion or call it cations. After donating valence electron, the metal atoms will achieve a stable octet arrangement. Non-metal atoms. Non-metal atoms accept electron from metal atoms to form negative ion or called as anion. After receiving a valence electron, a non-metal atoms will achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. This is example for ionic bond. Sodium atom Na will donate one electron to achieve stable octet electron arrangement. Sodium ion Na+ is formed. Fluorine atom F will accept one electron from sodium atom Na to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Fluoride ion F- is formed. Sodium ion Na+ and fluoride ion F- of opposite charge will attract one another by strong electrostatic attraction force. A compound sodium fluoride NaF is formed. Next, covalent bond. Definition. Covalent bonds are formed when non-metal atoms share electron to achieve a stable octet or duplet arrangement. There have three types of covalent bond, which is single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Single bond. Single bond means two atoms share a pair of electrons. Chlorine atom Cl needs one electron to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Two chlorine atoms Cl each contributes one electron to share a pair of electrons to form a single bond in a chloride molecule Cl2. This is example Lewis structure for the formation of chlorine molecule, which is Cl2. Double bond. Two atoms share two pairs of electrons. Oxygen atom O needs two electrons to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Two oxygen atom O each contribute two electrons to share two pairs of electrons to form a double bond in oxygen molecule O2. This is example for Lewis structure of molecule O2. The last one, triple bond. Two atoms share three pairs of electrons. For example, the nitrogen atom N needs 3 electrons to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Two nitrogen atoms each contribute 3 electrons to share 3 pairs of electrons. The fifth one, dative covalent bond. So, what is dative covalent bond? Dative covalent bond is a coordinate bond a shared pair of electrons, or the electron pairs that its shares come from one atom. For example, water molecule H2O already stable of electron arrangement. Hydrogen ion H plus does not have any electron in the shell. The lone pair of electrons that are not involved in covalent bond in H2O will be shared with H plus ion. In hydrosonium ion H3O plus, oxygen atom O and all hydrogen atom H have achieved stable octet and duplicate electron arrangement respectively. Another one, which is comparison of general properties of ionic and covalent compound. Ionic compound soluble in water, solid at room temperature, high melting points, strong electrolysis, and aqueous solution conduct electricity. However, covalent compound soluble in organic solvents, gases, liquid at room temperature, low melting points, non-electrolytic, and aqueous solution do not conduct electricity. Last but not least, drawing Lewis dot structure. Definition. The Lewis structure is a simple two-dimensional representation of the position of electron pairs around a central atom of a molecule. Valence electrons are distributed, which is bond pairs, bonding electron, lone pair, which is non-bonding electron. This is example drawing Lewis structure for H2O. Step 1. Number of valence electron. Hydrogen plus 1 equal to 2 electron. However, oxygen have 6 electron. Step 2. Arrange the atom symmetry. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Step 3. Number of non-bonding, which is NB. NB equal to number of valence electron minus number bond multiplies 2. 8 electron minus 2 multiplies 2 equal to 4 non-bonding electron.